Say good morning, Bobby.
Why?
Okay, say morning.
Morning. Just kidding. I am having a good morning. You know why?
Because you get to see me.
Fine. It's been kind of a rough month.
It has for all of us. It really has.
But Scotty got my dad's Timex.
Ooh, let's show that real quick.
Because Scotty's also a watch monkey. But this was my dad's Timex.
So
I found it at his house, and Scotty got going. And it's currently keeping.
Yeah, it's right on time. Well,
Yeah.
It is a Timex, so it'll take a licking and keep on ticking. So I'll take this home
I
later
know
for
some
lunch.
girls that have done that.
And its date is perfect, the 5th.
Yep, it's keeping time.
So I'll polish this all up for him, make it look nice, so he now has a good work watch to wear.
Yeah.
And Timex always puts out a good watch.
Because
They
I
always
can't wear
have.
the Sterling or the Roller here. Well, I can, but you do. I mean, you look at you, fancy man. Anyway.
Well, I wear the IWC, the Omega, the Rolex,
The
and I can't believe it. I actually won the auction. I won the auction.
What'd you buy?
You ready?
What'd you buy? Watch, boy.
A Patek Philippe 5990 1A.
You fancy man.
Look it up on your phone.
I will. Not right now, but I will.
And I bought another one just before I went on my trip to New York.
That was
the one that I got from Adam. It is a vintage original Hamilton pocket watch that was converted into a regular wristwatch.
Now, Adam builds them.
Yep. And
that's Adam that has the Cadillac.
yep, which phenomenal, which I love that car. So I bought that from him, and I was like,
Do you have it? Did you wear it here?
no, I didn't wear any watch today, which is
weird.
surprising. I mean, you can see the
Scotty,
line on my
you're
arm
naked.
where a watch has been for.
Scotty, put that away.
I know, right? They're gonna think something's wrong with me.
Yeah.
So that being said, I'll probably bring that out in one of the other videos. I'll grab it and put it on for a few minutes.
Okay, so. No
But
more
let's
watch talk.
Yep, let's get back to what we're doing.
Get back to William's
So
car.
I am
I
doing.
want to get it back to him ASAP.
I'm trying to do no drill. So,
You know what? That's where I was thinking of going yesterday too.
and I'm like, it fit perfect. Sorry about that. I hit the video button.
Scotty hit the wrong button.
So
Here it is.
we did the ground. I got a little more tidying up to do for wiring. I still got to do the positive yet and get that taken care of. And we bought all the sheathing.
Yes.
Wait, come on. Why won't it? I don't know. It's on 3X and I don't know why, but
That's
God, my hand is huge.
That's the type of films you like. 3Xs, right?
So we have all the sheathing. I bought 2 more containers just to be on the safe side
You are.
so that we can route it and it won't stand
hide it.
out.
Yeah.
So it'll stay hidden. I don't know why my phone is doing that.
The breaker. You got to put the breaker.
Yeah,
in.
so I'm going to get the breaker in, but I'm thinking I'm going to put the breaker underneath the dash just because it'll
Ford
be
had
easier.
them under here.
Okay. Well,
I
then-
would probably do it maybe right around in here somewhere.
okay.
So let's do that.
Right.
And
Well,
you
let
gotta
me get this routed and get that taken care of.
And you need to hook your hot up. That's going to go to the switch.
Yep.
Now I'm working on our switch options.
Good God, you're.
Dude, were you about to say, "Good God, you're huge"?
Yeah.
Thanks. for
Something you've never
No one's
heard.
ever said that to me. Well, maybe about my waist, which is getting less.
It is, and you're down how many pounds now?
I was 240 even this morning.
And you're down how many pounds now?
That's 26.4.
Very cool. I'm very proud of you. Very proud of you.
No, just kidding.
So, because if
really.
I zoom in on your, I can't zoom in anymore. It's at max, but I'm on your face, so the rest of you doesn't exist.
Well, my head is bigger than most of me anyway.
Okay, so yeah.
So we're talking switches. I got one more toggle coming that I'm gonna have delivered,
Okay.
and then that way we're gonna do A, B, C.
Right. So he has a
And then
choice
William
of what
can
he
pick,
think.
because there's 2 different toggles, and then I know we talked about the 67, 68, the pull switch,
Right.
the fog light switch for like a 68 Shelby, and it looks kind of cool in the light
Yeah,
bezel
it
that
does,
this
I
car
agree.
came with.
Yeah, I
But
agree.
I want to give him all his options because he said he wanted a toggle, so I'll be like, here's 2 different toggles, and then here's this as well,
Right.
because that way then, he has a choice. Because some of the toggles are just, I think one toggle is way too big. The other one I got coming are like the ones we have in the race car. They're a little smaller. I thought I had some here in stock, but of course I'm out. But I used to always carry spares, but I think I used them. So, that being said, I'm waiting on a switch to get here, but I have to get in the dash, get everything kind of apart, and start making our location
Right.
for it anyway. So I'm starting on that. Scotty's continuing on this. And then once all the fog lights are done, I can readjust our alignment and our ride heights that we want to change, and it's ready to go home.
Yep. And while I'm here,
Oh yeah, you're doing bulbs because we're switching those out to LED.
see if you can, as you can tell, it's stuck. I can't, no matter what I do.
Yeah.
It won't go down. So I need to pull the glass if you want to show. If you want to hold the camera.
Yeah, I'm coming. Wait. I'm never saying that next to you. Okay. I'm trying to be real stable because it's in 3x like your dirty movies.
Oh, come on. I mean, I know I got to be stupid careful with this.
Yeah, because it's glass. These are legit, homie. If you break one of these, I'm gonna kill you.
If I break one of these, I will willingly let you kill me.
And not with pleasure.
Right? Okay, so 1, 2.
Carefully handle that bulb
I'm not even touching the bulb.
because you have to go get the other bulb. You know what? Get that out, and then we'll stop this recording, and I'll have you go get the other bulb.
Yep. So let's stop the recording so I can actually fix the camera.
Yep.
So I'm going to push this back in just a little bit so I know that we're safe and sound.
Okay.
I don't want this falling or breaking.
Oh God, no! I'd kill you. And then William will revive you, and then William will come kill you.
Right?
I'll even let him use my old, because he's Canadian. I'll let him use my old hockey stick from back when I played.
I can't picture you playing hockey.
There's my Easton.
I know. You
There's my Easton Z bubble from 2001.
And you were born when?
84. I was 17.
84. Good God.
Yeah. Anyway.
I keep forgetting I'm that much older than you.
Yeah, you're like 92.
Right?
All right, so
Does that help you see anymore?
he gave me the bird. Anyway, Scotty's going to go get the bulbs, and we will resume.
And here we are, everybody. We got the new LED light in. It's plugged into its holder. So I have to rebuild the case. Not that I broke it. It's just, you have to disconnect it and then get everything taken care of and get it put in its place. So I'll get it screwed up into there, then get everything into here, run the ground for the casing, and we are good. So I will show you guys this once it's all together and done and ready to go. And then we'll move on to do the other light bulb there. Do the same thing because we have our new bulbs right there. And then back to routing positive to go up to where we need it to be so I can put the breaker on it. So we'll be good and safe and sound that way. And we'll keep you guys updated as we go along. All right, guys, have a good one. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. All back together. I'll put the cover on it. Get that taken care of. And we'll do the other one, get that. And then I can start doing the wiring again and get that finished off so we can get it routed. Okay, on to the next one.